What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Sorry I have been MIA for a little bit. It's been really crazy during this pandemic and everything. I'm still working full-time, so I just really haven't had any motivation to be really making videos and stuff. But today I am making another video for you guys. I am moving once again. I have moved so many times since I lived in Arizona. Every year that my lease is over, I've moved. So this is my 5th year going on living in Arizona, and the 5th place I'm about to actually move into. So I am going to be giving you guys an apartment tour. I am still cleaning up everything and packing. We're moving tomorrow, actually. So we just got a U-Haul. Maddie went to go rent one, and we're gonna pile all of our in there and pretty much just get it ready for tonight and then move tomorrow. I personally haven't even seen the apartment myself. I had to do a virtual Zoom online tour through the apartment complex because they weren't doing tours since of the coronavirus and everything. So I'm actually really nervous to move in. So you guys will be pretty much seeing the place with me for the first time as I see it for my first time. But yeah, I'm just gonna continue to pack up stuff right now. The house is a complete show, and we're gonna skedaddle out this. So this is my room. It did not look like this at all. I swear this is hideous, but I put everything back together and I'm still it's a mess, guys. It's a huge mess that I'm still cleaning up, and I'm sorry to show you it, but yeah, this is what moving looks like. Also, if you guys didn't know, I was living in a house in Scottsdale with 2 of my friends, Cassidy and Maddie, and now me and Maddie are moving into an apartment still in Scottsdale together. Cass is gonna be living with her boyfriend, and then me and Maddie decided to get an apartment together. All right, we got our nice little U-Haul going on. It's completely empty right now. We're about to fill this bad boy up. Say that again? Where'd you go? It's so dark, I couldn't even see any of that. Good morning, guys. So the U-Haul is completely packed up. I wasn't able to show you guys it because it was pitch black last night when we finished moving everything in. So we're actually gonna leave maybe in 30 minutes to go to the apartment complex and unpack all this shit. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on everything. We have to go get our keys right now and then go to the apartment. My car is fully packed. I'm gonna have to make another run because I have so much stuff. So once we drop everything off and unload the U-Haul, I'm gonna come back, we're gonna clean the house, and then we are gonna be done. If you guys have ever moved, it is literally the worst thing ever, and 5 times in 5 years is enough for me. It is enough, I'm done. Okay, so I should have given you guys an apartment tour before we started moving stuff in, but we got so excited and just wanted to get it done. But we already moved in all of the stuff from the U-Haul. I'll give you guys a little apartment tour right now. Here is our kitchen. Ignore the boxes and everything. This is going to be my room. It's a show, I know. My bathroom, closet. We got Maddie here.
It's really hot.
It's so hot out. Here's Maddie's bathroom and her room. And then we got a little laundry room. So it's really small and cute. I absolutely love it. I know. I'm sweating so bad too. What t-shirt contest?
Moving check.
Moving check. But yeah, so we're gonna go take the U-Haul back right now. Hopefully Maddie doesn't crash and die. And then we're gonna come back and pretty much get everything settled. We even have a cute little balcony outside. Moving was actually easy because we're on the 1st floor. So we were able to pull up the U-Haul and just open up our back gate and just move everything in, which was really nice. But yeah, welcome to our new apartment. Very excited to live in here, guys. Okay guys, I'm gonna follow Maddie. Right now she's driving the U-Haul. Everybody pray for her because we don't know how to drive it. Yes, I want my coffee. Thanks, Mom. Oh, sorry. I just squirted. Alright guys, I just wanted to give you a quick little apartment tour. It's not completely finished, but it looks a lot better since we moved in. So we're gonna start off with the kitchen area. I'm pretty sure you guys saw this before, but we just have the whole kitchen and everything, some more plates and stuff. slowly coming along. Laundry room and whatnot. We're babysitting Keela right now, so her bed and stuff is here. Normally that wouldn't be here. We have to buy some bar stool chairs and add that there, and then a TV stand and everything. But as of right now, this is all we have, some tables and stuff. Little balcony. Keela's sunbathing right now. Hi, Keela, you wanna say hi? Say hi. And then a little room tour. It's coming along. It's a little messy right now, but still need artwork. Got this hanging up. I'm gonna hang up my TV, organize this, put some more decorations and stuff. Nice little mirror for you guys, some plants, of course, Xbox. It's a little messy. We're cleaning. Johnny's in town right now, so all his stuff is here. Little bathroom, some cabinets and more whatnot. Shower, closet. It's pretty messy, but you guys get the gist of everything. So yeah, we still have some furniture to buy and stuff and artwork and everything, but it's coming along. I give it another like month and we'll like have everything like completely settled in and be done. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my little apartment tour. I have a couple more videos on its way. I just have to edit them. I promise I will try and upload more for you guys, but I keep saying that, so actually I'm not gonna make any promises. But if you did enjoy the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.